For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has remained one of the most extraordinary scientific instruments ever built by humanity. Since its launch, it has revealed breathtaking cosmic wonders that were once completely beyond the reach of human observation. Its discoveries have transformed our understanding of the universe, uncovering distant galaxies, ancient stars, and hidden structures that had remained invisible for billions of years. Unlike ground-based observatories, Hubble operates high above Earth's atmosphere, where clouds, turbulence, and weather can no longer interfere with its view. Orbiting more than 500 kilometers above Earth, it circles the planet every 97 minutes while traveling at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour. Despite this incredible speed, the telescope remains remarkably stable, allowing it to observe unimaginably distant objects with extraordinary precision. From the silent vacuum of space, Hubble collects light that has traveled across the universe for millions and sometimes billions of years before finally reaching its mirrors. Because light takes time to travel, every observation captured by the telescope is also a journey into the past. Each image records ancient moments in cosmic history, allowing astronomers to study the universe as it existed long before Earth or even our solar system was formed. Instead of simply taking pictures of space, Hubble preserves snapshots of different eras in the evolution of the cosmos. When Hubble was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in April 1990, it represented far more than the deployment of another telescope. It marked a historic milestone in humanity's quest to explore the universe beyond the limits of Earth's atmosphere. The observatory was the result of decades of scientific research, engineering innovation, and international collaboration. Thousands of scientists, engineers, technicians, and aerospace specialists worked together to create an instrument capable of observing the universe with unprecedented clarity. Every component was designed to survive the harsh environment of space while delivering measurements of exceptional accuracy. The mission was not simply to capture beautiful images. It was created to answer some of the greatest questions in science. How old is the universe? How did galaxies first form? How are stars born? How do they die? How has the universe changed over billions of years? At the time of its launch, most scientists expected Hubble to produce sharper images than any telescope before it. Instead, it completely transformed modern astronomy. As years of observations accumulated, the universe appeared far more dynamic and complex than anyone had imagined. What once seemed like a quiet collection of distant lights became an active cosmic landscape filled with motion, gravity, and constant change. Galaxies were revealed as enormous systems rotating through space while interacting and sometimes colliding with one another. Nebulae appeared as vast clouds of glowing gas and dust where entirely new generations of stars were being born. Massive stellar explosions scattered heavy elements across the cosmos, providing the building blocks for future stars, planets, and eventually life itself. The deeper Hubble looked into space, the more remarkable the universe became. Objects that once appeared as tiny points of light revealed intricate structures that had never been seen before. Spiral galaxies displayed enormous arms stretching across hundreds of thousands of light years. Dense star clusters contained millions of stars packed together by gravity. Brilliant nebulae revealed delicate filaments sculpted by radiation and stellar winds. Hubble also transformed our understanding of stars. Rather than simple points of light, they were revealed as enormous spheres of superheated plasma powered by nuclear fusion deep within their cores. Some stars are far larger than our Sun. Others are much smaller and capable of surviving for trillions of years. Each follows a unique life cycle determined by its mass and the laws of physics. Many of the stars photographed by Hubble are so distant that the light entering its instruments today began its journey millions or even billions of years ago. Every image captured by the telescope is therefore much more than a photograph. It is a record of ancient light preserved across vast distances of space and time. Each observation allows humanity to witness chapters of cosmic history that unfolded long before our planet existed. And as Hubble continued exploring ever deeper into the universe, its greatest discoveries were only beginning. As Hubble continued exploring deeper into space, its greatest discoveries were only beginning. One of its most important revelations was that galaxies are not static collections of stars. They are living, evolving systems constantly shaped by gravity over billions of years. Some galaxies rotate peacefully through space. Others collide in enormous cosmic encounters that trigger the birth of millions of new stars while dramatically changing their structure. These spectacular collisions, captured in remarkable detail by Hubble, demonstrated that galaxies continuously grow, merge, and evolve throughout cosmic history. At the centers of many galaxies, Hubble also revealed intensely energetic regions unlike anything previously observed. Scientists discovered compelling evidence that these regions are powered by supermassive black holes, objects containing millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. Although black holes themselves cannot be seen directly, Hubble observed the powerful effects of their gravity. Matter falling toward these invisible giants becomes intensely heated, releasing enormous amounts of energy before disappearing beyond the event horizon. These observations transformed our understanding of how galaxies evolve and how their central black holes influence everything around them. Hubble also changed the way scientists viewed nebulae. Once thought to be simple clouds of gas, they were revealed as vast stellar nurseries where gravity slowly gathers gas and dust into dense regions that eventually collapse to form new stars. Powerful radiation and stellar winds from young stars continuously reshape these glowing clouds, creating some of the most beautiful and dramatic structures ever photographed. At the opposite end of a star's life, Hubble observed spectacular supernova explosions. These violent events scatter heavy elements across space, enriching the universe with the materials needed to form future stars, planets, and ultimately the chemical ingredients required for life. Perhaps Hubble's most astonishing achievement came when it looked toward what appeared to be an almost completely empty region of the sky. Astronomers expected to find very little. Instead, after staring into the darkness for many days, Hubble revealed thousands of previously unseen galaxies packed into a tiny area of space. This historic observation became known as the Hubble Deep Field. It completely changed humanity's view of the universe. What appeared empty to every telescope before it was actually filled with countless distant galaxies stretching across the cosmos. Later observations, including the ultra-deep field and extreme deep field, looked even farther into space. These remarkable images allowed astronomers to observe galaxies as they existed only a few 100 million years after the universe began. Because light takes billions of years to reach Earth, Hubble effectively allowed scientists to look back through cosmic time. Each deeper observation became another chapter in the story of the universe's earliest history. Hubble also played a crucial role in measuring the age and expansion of the universe. By observing distant stars and galaxies with unprecedented precision, astronomers refined calculations of the Hubble constant, improving our understanding of how fast the universe is expanding. Its observations also strengthened evidence that this expansion is accelerating, leading to one of modern astronomy's greatest mysteries, the existence of dark energy, an unknown force believed to make up most of the universe. Even after more than 3 decades in orbit, Hubble continues to make important scientific discoveries. Although newer observatories such as the James Webb Space Telescope now explore the universe in different wavelengths, Hubble remains an essential part of modern astronomy. Together, the two observatories complement one another, revealing the universe in ways neither could achieve alone. Over its remarkable lifetime, Hubble has produced well over 1 million scientific observations and contributed to thousands of research papers. Its breathtaking images have inspired scientists, students, and millions of people around the world to look toward the night sky with renewed curiosity. More than a telescope, Hubble became a symbol of humanity's desire to explore the unknown. It showed that the universe is far larger, older, and more dynamic than anyone once imagined. Every distant galaxy it photographed, every newborn star it revealed, and every ancient beam of light it captured has expanded our understanding of the cosmos. Even today, as it continues its silent journey around Earth, Hubble reminds us that every answer uncovered by science leads to even greater questions waiting beyond the horizon. Its legacy is not only written in scientific discoveries. It is written in humanity's ever-growing curiosity to understand the universe and our place within it. And somewhere in the endless darkness above, Hubble continues to look deeper into space, revealing that the greatest discoveries may still lie ahead.